Good evening. Welcome to Prestige Worldwide. It is Monday night, 9 o'clock on the East Coast. We've got Panini Select UFC Hybrid H2 5-box break number 2. Excited to be doing the UFC Hybrid. As always, if you want one-touch signature confirmation or shipping insurance on your cards, please check that out through the stores at pwcards.com. One Touch is a hard case, a magnetic case they're called, so if you want something like that to protect your card a little bit more, go ahead and check that out through the store. Good luck to everybody on the break. Here we go. Dominic Cruz, Rob Font, Klemitjev, Jared Cannonier, and we've got a blue disco of Paulo Costa C. Braden M. That's going out to you. The Costa. That's number to 99. A nice low number on that for you. On the Costa. And then Volkov on the refractor. The V. Alexander Volkov. Okay. Pack number 2. Joanna Jadezerzik, Tyrone Woodley, Stipe Miocic, Michael Chiesa, Jack Hermansov, and how about a Dan Ig, the red disco, Dan Iggy. That's going to Dan K. And that one's numbered to 199. Marlon Morales. Divyason Figueroa. Chan Soon Young. Kevin Holland. Nina Nunez. And the red disco is Jorge Masvidal. The M spot, Masvidal. To 199. Timothy D, that's yours. Alexander Volkanovski. Jimmy Crute. Colby Covington. Marvin Vittori. We've got a Jorge Masvidal. Look at that. Back when his hair was shorter. Masvidal silver disco. And then we have Brian Ortega. Danny K, he says. And the Ortega is not numbered. Okay. The O spot is James M. Here we go. Box number 2. Bob Font. Yamazat Chamizov. Jared Cannonier, Marvin Vittori. We've got Chase Hooper, the flow going. And the refractor here is Joseph Benvenidez. This watch is getting loose. Dustin Poirier. Michael Piera. Aspen Ladd. Glover Texiera. Charles Oliveira. Disco. The O. James M. Not numbered. And then we have Davison Figueroa. Rio, though. F spot. Daniel A. That one's not numbered. Okay. Cyril Gain, Amanda Nunes, George St. Pierre, Diego Santos. We've got a blue disco Michael Chisa. That one's going to be numbered. Chisa's numbered to 99. Braden M, that's you. And then the refractor is going to be George St. Pierre. Dan Ige, Curtis Blades, Jack Hermanson, Shogun Arua, Paul Felder, and then the red disco is Alexander Rakic. And that is numbered to 199. The R spot going out to Boris T. There you go, Boris. All right, box number 3. Holly Holm, Derek Brunson, Paulo Costa, and what do we have here? Zhang Waheli. That was flipped for no reason. Okay. Tricking us a little bit. We've got the nice Kelvin Gastelum disco. Not numbered. And then a Jorge Masvidal refractor. Wow. So that's 3 for Jorge. Jermaine de Ramondi, Bryce Mitchell, Calvin Qatar, Justin Gaethje, and we've got a blue George St. Pierre. The blue disco on the St. Pierre. That's numbered to 99. S is Dustin M. And then we have the refractor of Uriah Hall. Francis Ngannou, Corey Shandegahagen, Brian Ortega, Anthony Smith, Yuri Prokajaska. I know I butchered that one. And George St. Pierre, red disco. So we got some dupes. Not dupes, but repeat players, which is fine. Dustin M on the St. Pierre. That one's to 190, the red disco. Felice Herrig, Nate Diaz, Brandon Moreno, Michael Pereira, Corey Sandhagen, and a red disco. This time it's going to be Destin Poirier. To 199. P. Quayan H. That's you. Box number 4. Joker Sousa, Ryan Spahn, Chuck Liddell, Aljamain Sterling. We've got a blue disco. This one is going to be Caitlin Hookagarian. H? No, C. Shukagen. I'm sorry, to 99. The C spot, Brandon M. Then we got a refractor of Shogun Rua. Khabib, John Blachowicz, Yair Rodriguez, Robert Whitaker. Then we have Robbie Lawler, the regular disco silver, not numbered. And then Cain Velasquez, and it's hard to see on that camera, but there it is. Cain Velasquez, V spot, Daniel M, not numbered. Chris Weidman, Yuri Prokachezov, Paul Felder, Caitlin Shukagang, Sterling, and Vincent Loke, the L spot. That's numbered to 199. Daniel A. There you go, Daniel. Joseph Benvenides, Diego Fiera, Ronaldo Vieira, Germain de Romande, Uriah Faber, and then we have this nice Alexander Volkanovski, the red disco. Volkanovski, number to 199, the V spot, Daniel M. All right, box number 5. Good luck to everybody. Thanks for breaking with us. Again, if you want a mag case or one touch on your card, shipping insurance, or signature confirmation, please check that out through the store at pwwcards.com. Cards usually ship within 24 to 48 hours, so if you like those services, please check it out as soon as possible. Stephen Thompson, Michael Chandler, Leon Edwards, Jessica Andrea, Michael Piera, the blue disco. Yeah, the Immaculate's coming up next. That's numbered to 99 for the P. Quinn H. And then the refractor is going to be Max Holloway. Jorge Masvidal, Uriah Hall, Cynthia Cavallo, Kelvin Gastelum. Then we have Israel Asana, and the red disco of Glover Texier. T-spot, Dan K. That's numbered to 199. Alexander Volkov, Zabit Nagamura, Conor McGregor. It's a little booger on the card there or something. A couple of these sticking together. Max Holloway, Cynthia Cavallo disco, not numbered. And then we have Zhuang Weili, vertical, horizontal, not numbered. And our last pack. Good luck to everybody. This is going to be Robbie Lawler, Claudia Glendeja, Charles Oliveira, Corey Shandhagen, Dominic Cruz, and the refractor of Kazmat Shemezev. C spot, Braden M. So that's the break. We'll get this card video uploaded, get these cards packaged up and shipped out to you. Have a good night, everybody.